Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Ask Profe Angela, where you get to be the star of the show. Well, I hope you guys had an amazing weekend because I know that I did. I got to start my weekend off by celebrating my Moorish national holiday. And I must tell you, it was the best thing since sliced bread. Sliced bread? Wow, that's an awesome way to express how much fun you had doing something. It's called an idiom. Do you want to know more? Let's hit it. Question of the week. Profe Angela, can you teach us some uncommon idioms that are frequently used and we don't know? Thank you, Daniela Arias, Barranquilla, Colombia. Great question, Daniela. Well, as we learned in class, an idiom is a word or phrase used in the English language that expresses or conveys an idea. For example, early bird, which means someone who gets up early. Or out of the woods, which means no longer in danger. Now let's hear from some of my friends who want to share a few fun idioms with you.
All is a day.
The idiom, call it a day, means to think you have done enough. For example, I'm getting a bit tired now. Let's call it a day.
Hold your horses.
The idiom, hold your horses, is used to ask someone to wait, slow down. For example, you better hold your horses before you fall and hurt yourself.
Blow off steam.
The idiom, blow off steam, means to release strong emotions by engaging in a relaxing activity. For example, when I get frustrated, I like to read to blow off steam.
Now for this week's sentence challenge.
Go online and find an idiom and use it in a sentence. For example, when I am upset, I dance to blow off steam. Now you try. Thank you, Daniela, for that great question this week. And I wish you guys a lot of luck in finding your own idioms to make those sentences. Remember, you can put your sentences in a comment box below, and I'll read them this week and give you awesome feedback. All right, guys, well, that's it for this episode of Ask Profe Angela, where you get to be the star of your English language learning experience. To all my English language warriors, hit that like button. And if you like what you saw, hit the subscribe button and join the APA family. All right, guys, have an awesome and amazing rest of your weekend, and I'll see you next time on Ask Profe Angela. Bye.